Hi guys, this is a short video just to show you how the UPS battery works with my 85-inch television. Take a look right now. It's connected, okay? And I'm gonna disconnect it. See that? I'm disconnecting the power. Look at my television. It didn't turn off. And like I said, this is to help with short time outages that I have here with my solar system. But anyway, take a look. 85-inch television, still working. Power is disconnected. And all the power is coming from this UPS battery here. Take a look. Connecting the power again. And by the way, it's got an option to mute the sound during an outage because it's got a beeping noise. You don't want that. It's terrible. It's terrible. But the good thing about it has that mute for that beeping noise. So you see that? I disconnected the power. Nothing happened. My television didn't go off. And like I said, that's to prevent damages to your television and to prevent your television from turning off during short time outages. Okay? Thank you guys. Enjoy this product. Thank you. By the way, I purchased this product. I didn't get it for free. I'm just doing this review because I like this product. Thank you guys. Take care. Bye.
So I have 286 minute here, it says, but look, it's gonna turn off by itself for no reason. And I have load. Still have capacity, battery capacity. Check it out. Check it out. Look, it just unload. It just. What the hell? Oh wow.